Welcome to the Topic Series. My name is Roy Paulson, and today I want to give you some history about how this new Toric face shield was developed, where did the ideas come from, and how did we finalize this. So starting off, I want to say that my father, in the early 1960s, had developed a face shield called the bubble face shield. This bubble shield was a popular motorcycle product at the time. And it had a spherical shape to it, but it wasn't molded exactly to that shape. It was molded, and then a second operation made it into the bubble shape that was used. It was a very popular product. Everyone loved it. But it was a spherical shape which made the bubble a shape that was not quite like following the human face contour. It had been my dream to make a toric face shield that would be conformal to the human face and provide all of the protection that the current market is asking for. So with this is a molded to shape toric design. When I use the word toric, if you think of a large donut and you took a section out of the donut, that would be a section out of a torus, which is what you call a toric. So as we are in this, there's a different radius in this direction than it is across this way. And in this case, the radius comes and then morphs into almost a flat on the sides. Very complex. And only with new modern CNC machining are we able to create this type of a shape. We build all of our own tooling and we do our own optical polishing. So we're aware of what can and can't be done. This particular shape was not possible to achieve just a few years ago. But only with modern techniques can we achieve this. We designed it so that as the shield is being worn, and with what your natural vision is, up and down, side to side, I wanted to have it so that the shield would basically disappear. So when the shield is up and in place, you're not even hardly aware that a face shield is in front of your face, because we've emulated the amount of natural vision that you have with the contour and shape of the product. You can look down through this, read a newspaper. If I had a newspaper here and I was wearing the shield, I can look down unimpeded to be able to read it. I wanted this way so that you could reach down and grab your tools and not be thinking about the shield. We don't want you to think about the shield, because any impediment that a face shield creates will reduce the chance of somebody wearing it. And what we want is to have higher compliance where people will be wearing the product as much as possible. We have these available as coated, so that there's a silicone hard coating on the exterior so it doesn't scratch. This silicone hard coating will withstand quadruple zero steel wool scratching. So you could take that a steel wool pad and it won't scratch the shield. And the interior of the shield has a polyurethane coating of an anti-fog material, so that it's permanently anti-fog coated. Should it be through use and time, and fingerprints and dust and dirt, all you would need to do is to wash this like a dish, and it will regain its anti-fog characteristics. It's designed to fit onto our new weight compensating brackets, so that as the shield is in the stowed position, it's centered over your head. You can't see it then. And when you pull it down, you can't see it again, because of the area of your natural vision. So the Toric shield is the new backbone of our product line. Here you see it in a clear polycarbonate shield, but it'll be available in all of our different models of face shields. Arc flash face shields, welding face shields, gold coated face shields, on and on, will all be available in this new Toric and modern design. The face shield also has a lot of optical manipulation that's occurred to make it so what's called a plano face shield. Plano means that it doesn't magnify your vision. And so we have besides the shape, it's tapered. It's thicker in the middle and it tapers off to the sides to be thinner. And this is so that when you look through the shield, you're looking straight through the shield. We didn't want to have any problems with vision issues associated with the shield, and it meets all the requirements for the ANSI Z8 7.1 and also the European standards for optical quality. So this is a description of the new Toric face shield product line. You have a little history of I wanted to somewhat emulate what my father had done so long ago and help build our business. And it's our new Toric face shield. This one happens to be in polycarbonate and it is clear, coated, and anti-fog coated.